Hello, this is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California, United States. My email is IBridgePy@gmail.com. IBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to help traders to build algorithm trading robots. It can backtest and live trade with interactive brokers, Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade. You can download IBridgePy from www.ibridgepy.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more tutorials are coming. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about send out emails. This IBridgePy service is for traders to easily send out emails to themselves while they are doing automated trading. So the first step is to register a user at portal.ibridgepy.com. Later, I will give you a demo on how to do that. After you log in, under the users section, you will see there is a field called apiKey. That's the API key you need to use to configure in IBridgePy. Step 3, after you get the API key from the portal, you need to add the API key to the setting.py in IBridgePy. The API key is a string, simple string. So what you need to do is open settings.py and look for a field called email_client. And this is a dictionary. Inside it, there is a key called IBridgePy email client. And then underneath, there is a key called API key. Here is where you should put the API key in the file, just like what I showed in this picture. It's just a string. Then, when you need to send out email, you can simply use a IBridgePy function called send_email. There are two inputs. The first one is email title. The second one is email body. Then the email will be sent out to the email that you registered at portal.ibridgepy.com. To verify, you need to check your email box. If you cannot find it, make sure you check the spam folder of your email. Then, if you find the email there, you can label the email as not a spam. Then I'm going to give you a demo on how to get API key. It's relatively simple. What you should do is go to ibridgepy.com, and then the next step is to go to IBridgePy portal. Very top of the page, this is the whole page. Go to the very top, go to IBridgePy portal. It will direct you to the IBridgePy portal. So right now I'm logged in as test. You can see the API key to send emails is the API key for this test account. And you can see you can send 6 emails for this calendar month. So this is the quota to send out the email. So what you should do is copy this API key and then go to settings and then set it there, as I mentioned in this part. Then when you need to send out the email, what you can do is just simply use the function called send email. Then inputs are email title equals to a task title. Email body is the task body. And then this is just one action, so I put in there. When you need to run it, you just simply run this file and it will send out the email. So here I give you 2 examples. The first example, if you run the send email and using test title test body, you will receive a sample email This is an email in my Gbox, in the Gmail, ibridgepy.at@gmail.com. You can see it just sent out immediately. Another example is I have deployed IBridgePy at Amazon EC2. And every day I send out 2 emails. One is 9:30 a.m., the other one sent out at 12:30 p.m. I just want to know if my IBridgePy running well or not on Amazon EC2. So I send out email. It says EC2 deploy, good. Early close equals to false. It's just tell me is that is today is early close day for US market. If it's good, then I just tell myself ready to trade. So it tells me my deployment is good. Emails. First thing is actually the function has a to email field when the function is designed, but actually for security reasons, to email, the field of to email must be the registered email at portal.ibridgepy.com. The next thing you need to keep in mind is for security reasons, we don't allow special characters. For example, these characters in either email title or email body. Our service will just simply replacing these special characters by a space and then keep the title and email body. The next thing is for each account, you can send out 10 emails per month for the community version. Quota will be reset at the first day of the calendar month so that you can continue to use the send out mail service if you have used up 10 emails per month. If you want to send out more emails, you can consider to visit this website, which is the features.ibridgepy. We will publish the plan for users to send out more emails. The service of send out email may have some delay actually, but typically the service is very reliable and fast. Even if there's some delay, typically the delay will be within a few seconds. So after you trigger the function, you can pretty much go to your mailbox to check for the email. If the email service is temporarily unavailable, the function of send email will retry 3 times. After 3 times, it will write to a log file for users to check what's the problem with the service. If there are any error message, the service will tell what's the problem in the log file, in the error message. Send out email actually is a Python package, and the source code will be released to GitHub for any users to use it in any Python packages. The last thing I want to mention is send out email itself, it takes time for service to respond. So when you want to use the send email feature, think about use it when the time is not critical. I want to give you an example here. For example, you want to place an order, let's say 5 seconds before the market close. And also you want to send out the email to yourself said, I placed an order before the market close. So the suggestion is first to place order. And then after the order is placed and you confirmed by order status monitor that the order status is filled or submitted, which means the transaction has been confirmed, then the time is not critical at this moment. Then you can send out email to yourself by triggering the function of send emails. Considering the opposite way is you want to send out the email before you place the order and then place the order. In that case, if there are some delay during the process of send out the email, then you probably miss the open window of the market because you just have five seconds before the market close in this example. Thank you very much. For any questions, please send an email to IBridgePy@gmail.com. If you need any help on coding, please check out our well-known Run a Coder service. More tutorials are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. IBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trading. Thank you very much.